I'm going to unbox the O-Cedar Promist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. See how this works in a small apartment. To unhook the mop, it's got this elastic band attached to the microfiber cloth. So we're just going to unhook that band, and then we're going to remove the cardboard cover. Simple enough. So it comes with a single microfiber cloth and this reservoir tank, so that you can activate a trigger from the handle and put moisture, soap, or just water on the floor for quick cleanup. Let's check out the tank. Now you can unload the tank. You have to pull it out of the holder with a little force, opposite force. I put my thumb right here and on my hand right here and pull opposite directions. Watch it come out. There you go. Just remove the tank like so. Now simply unscrew the top on the tank. And you can fill just with water or some of your favorite floor detergent. And put the lid back on. And it seals with a D-ring right here, so that keeps it from leaking. Then simply load the tank back into the holder. Listen to the click. Now you're ready to watch it spray. Check it out. And mop away. As you can see, I got a small kitchen, and kind of makes light work of it all. It also has a pretty good feature, is once you mop down with this side, you can actually flip the mop over and mop from the other side as well. You know, you can look at that as a clean and then dry. When you're done, it's got a Velcro catch here. So just peel away the Velcro like so. And you can take it right off the mop like so. Yeah, when you're done, you just take the microfiber, toss it into the washer, and have it ready for the next go around. It's a pretty good product. It's the O-Cedar Promist Max. I got mine down at the Home Depot. I hope it works out for you too. Got a product review for you. I hope you like it. Share it if you want. Bye.